So let's start the NCERT exercise number 2.3. Okay. So the first question is, which of the following will not represent 0? So in this question, first of all, let's solve these things, right? Let's solve this equation. In the first one, 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1 only. Okay. Let's come to the second part, 0 into 0. Now we all know, if we multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0, right? If we multiply 0 with 0, 0, 5 with 0, 0. If we multiply 7 with 0, that is 7 into 0 is 0. 100 into 0 is 0, right? Each and every whole number when multiplied by 0 will give us the result 0, right? So in this case our answer is 0. Okay. Let's come to the third part, 0 divided by 0. If we divide 0 with any number, the result is again 0. Okay. 0 when divided by any number will give us 0. For example, 0 divided by 50. Okay. That is also 0. Because we can't divide 0 in any parts, because that is already 0. Okay. So whenever we divide 0 with any number, the result is 0. Okay. Now let's solve this part. 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay. 0, then 0.2. Now 0 divided by any number gives us 0. Okay. So now what is our question? Which of the following will not represent 0? So in this case we are not getting 0, right? In this case we are not getting 0, but here we are getting 0, here we are getting 0, and here we are getting 0. Okay. Will not represent 0. This is not representing 0. So our answer will be part A will not represent 0. Okay. Understood? Now let's move to question number 2. If product of two numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them is 0? Justify through example. Now let's take some examples. In the previous question we saw 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, right? So now question is asking, if product of two numbers is 0, if product of two numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? If both are 0, we are getting 0. Okay. Now let's take some other example. Let's say I do 7 into 0. What will be 7 into 0? It will again be 0. Let's take some other example. Let's say 15. Or you can take any whole number. 15 into 0 is again 0, right? So in case if there is only one number out of the two is 0, we are getting 0. And in case when both the numbers are 0 and they are multiplied, then also we are getting 0, right? So here what we will say, yes, then we can say if one or both numbers are 0, the product is 0. Okay, easy. Now let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 says, if product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Now again solve this question using some examples. Now let's say we are doing 1 multiplied by 1. What will be the answer? The answer will be 1, right? Now let's take other example. Now let's multiply 1 with let's say 6. 1 multiplied by 6 will be, we all know it will be 6, right? Let's take one more example. Let's say 1 multiplied by 20. It will be 20. So the product of two whole numbers is 1 only in the case when both the numbers are 1, right? So now what we will say, from the examples above, product of two whole numbers, we will take the statement from the question only, right? Product of two whole numbers, product of two whole numbers is 1 when both of the numbers are 1, right? When both the numbers are 1, right? So this is how we gave the answer to this question, right? Now question number 4 is find using distributive property. Now we need to find these products using the distributive property which we discussed in our previous videos, right? If you haven't watched that video, please go to that video, link is in the description, and come back here and solve this question, right? Now let's solve. Now the question is 728 multiplied by 101, right? Let's write 728 multiplied by, now 101, can I write it as 100 plus 1, right? 100 plus 1 will be nothing but 101, right? Now apply distributive property here. 728 multiplied by 100, right, plus 728 multiplied by 1. 728 multiplied by 1, right? Now what is 728 multiplied by 100? 728 followed by 2 zeros, plus 728 into 1 is nothing but 728. Now let's add them. 728 double 0 plus 728. Okay, when you add these values you will get 73528, right? 73528. Okay, so this will be our answer. Let me erase that calculation. Easy, right? Now let's move to the second part. 5437 multiplied by 1001. Now again apply the same concept. 5437 multiplied by 1001 can be written as 1000 plus 1, right? Now apply distributive property on this. 5437, this thing, multiplied by 1000, then a plus sign, then 5437 multiplied by 1, multiplied by 1. Okay, now let's solve these parts. Now what will be this? 5437 followed by 3 zeros, okay, plus 5437 multiplied by 1 will be 5437, right? Now let's add these values. 5437,000 plus 5437,000 3, 7. Okay. Now when we add them, 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 3 will be 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 and 5 is 12. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 0 is 5. So our answer will be 5, 4, 4, 2, 4, 3, 7. Right? So this will be our answer. Now move to the third part. Okay. Now we have 824 multiplied by 25. How will you do this? 824 multiplied by, can I write 25 as 20 plus 5, right? Let's write it 20 plus 5. Now again, apply distributive property on this equation. 824 multiplied by 20 plus 824 multiplied by 5. Right? Now multiply these values. When you multiply 824 by 2, then it will come out to be 1648 and followed by 0. Okay? And when you multiply 824 by 5, what you will get? You will get is 20, 5 to the 10 and 2, 12, 5 8s are 40 and 1, 41, 4, 1, 2, 0. Okay. Now let's add these values. 16480 plus 4120. Let's add 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 4 plus 1 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer will be 20,600. 20,600. Okay. So this is how we use the distributive property to find our answers. Now the next part is 4275 multiplied by 125. Now let's solve this. 4275 multiplied by 125 can be written as 125. 100 plus 25. Now again we are using distributive property, right? Let's use it. 4275 multiplied by 100 plus 4275 multiplied by 25. Okay. So what it will be? 4275 followed by 2 zeros plus, let's multiply this. 4275 multiplied by 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35 and 2, 37. 5 2s are 10 and 3, 13, 5 4s are 20 and 1, 21. Okay. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 and 1, 15, 2 2s are 4 and 1, 5, 2 4s are 8. Okay. It will be 5, 7, 8, 6, 8 and 2, 10. So our answer will be 106875, right? Let's quickly add them. 4275 00 plus 106875. 5, 7, 13, 14, 3, 5. So this will be our answer. 5, 3, 4, 3, 7, 5. Right? Let's move to the last part. Now 504 can be written as 500 plus 4. 500 plus 4 multiplied by 35. Okay, now let's use the distributive property. 500 multiplied by 35 plus 4 multiplied by 35. Okay, now let's do 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 and 2 17. 175. 175 followed by 2 zeros. Okay, plus 35 into 4, 140, right? Now let's quickly add them. When you will add them, you will get 17640, which will be our answer. Okay,